how to fix mobile Fortnite crash on Android. Now there's gonna be a few steps in order to do this, and the first one is to just pretty much restart your phone. And so just go ahead and hold your screen and press reboot or restart. Now once you've done that, go ahead and check if your Fortnite app works. The next one is to go to your settings. In settings, go ahead and scroll down until you find the apps and manage apps. In manage apps, go ahead and find your Fortnite, which is over here, and just go ahead and press force stop. So once again, go ahead and check if this works, and if not, you can go ahead and proceed to the next option, which is to pretty much be in the same app information location in your settings, and go ahead and clear your cache and clear all data. Note, if you press clear all data, you're gonna have to do signing up. You're gonna have to sign or log in back to the account that you're using, but hopefully that does help you fix your device. Now the next one is to just go to your Epic Games launcher, go to Fortnite, and check if there are any updates. Now Fortnite won't be working well if it's not on its latest version. Just go ahead and check that, and if it doesn't work, then just go ahead and just reinstall the game by uninstalling and installing the game as your last option. So if this video helps you, hopefully it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.